there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams I have a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work at all. I'd fool around and have a ball. Money, money, money must be funny in the rich man's world. Money, 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 always sunny in the rich man's world. All the things I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. It's a rich man's world.
Unlock the power of a Chatgpt and dive into the fascinating world of AI affiliate marketing in this mind-expanding video. Discover how you can turn your expertise in answering questions into a lucrative opportunity to make money online. Embrace the flexibility of work from home jobs in 2023 as you embark on an exciting journey towards financial independence. Unleash the potential of side hustles in 2023 as you tap into the AI-driven technology of a Chatgpt. With insider tips and strategies, you'll learn how to leverage this cutting-edge tool to generate a steady income right from the comfort of your own home. Get ready to revolutionize your earning potential and witness the limitless possibilities of AI affiliate marketing in this captivating video. In today's digital age, the opportunity to make money online has never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or even create a full-time career, the internet offers countless ways to generate income from anywhere in the world. From freelancing and selling digital products to creating content on social media or starting an e-commerce store, the possibilities are endless. What makes online income particularly appealing is the flexibility it provides. You can work on your terms, set your schedule, and choose projects that align with your skills and passions. Additionally, many online income streams like affiliate marketing, blogging, or selling courses have the potential to become passive income sources over time, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. With the right mindset, effort, and strategy, anyone can tap into the vast potential of the digital economy and achieve financial independence. Whether you're looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind or simply boost your earnings, the Passive Income Pioneer offers practical insights and personalized support to empower you to build wealth online, achieve financial independence, and unlock your full potential. Now is the time to take control of your future. Start your journey today. Get ready to discover the hidden gems of the internet. In this video, we unravel 10 phenomenal websites that will put cash in your account within just 24 hours. These digital platforms open up exciting avenues for you to make money online, offering the latest work from home jobs in 2023 and innovative side hustles 2023. If you ever dreamed of getting paid every day from the comfort of your home, this video is a must watch.
The earnings potential of these sites might just surprise you. Don't miss out on these opportunities to bolster your income and attain financial freedom. Hit play and start your money-making journey right now.
Making money online is a viable and exciting opportunity for anyone willing to put in the time and effort. The digital landscape offers countless ways to earn, from active projects like freelancing and e-commerce to passive income streams such as affiliate marketing and content creation. With the persistence, creativity, and smart planning, you can unlock the potential of online income and take control of your financial future. Whether you're looking for additional income or aiming to create a full-time career, the internet provides the tools and opportunities to achieve your goals and enjoy greater freedom and flexibility in your life. Please don't forget to join us in our Passive Income Pioneer channel. Like and subscribe to see our new videos.